Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode on our channel, English with Altaf. I'm Ikra, and in today's video, we are going to practice daily English conversations that you can use in real life.
Hi everyone, I'm Altaf. Yes, today's lesson is all about daily English conversation practice. We'll use simple, useful sentences that you can use at home, school, work, or when you're out shopping. Let's get started.
Let's start with a very common situation, a morning conversation at home. Good morning, Altaf. Did you sleep well last night?
Good morning, Ikra. Yes, I slept well, thank you. How about you? Did you get enough rest?
Yes, I did. I went to bed a little late, but I still feel fresh today. What are your plans for the day?
I have a few meetings in the morning and some work to finish by the evening. How about you?
I have a class at 10 a.m. Then I need to do some grocery shopping. By the way, do you want tea or coffee?
I'll have tea today, please. What about you?
Tea sounds good. I'll make us both a cup. Now let's move to another daily situation. Talking at the office.
Sure. Let's imagine it's Monday morning and we're at the office. Good morning, Iqra. How was your weekend?
Good morning, Altaf. My weekend was nice and relaxing. I spent time with my family and watched a movie. How about yours?
Mine was a bit busy. I had to finish a project, but I managed to relax on Sunday evening. Are you ready for today's meeting?
Yes, I've prepared the report and the presentation. I'll review it one more time before the meeting. Do you need any help with your part?
Thanks, I think I'm good. I just need to print a few documents. Let's meet in the conference room at 11.
Sounds perfect. See you there. Now, let's move to another useful conversation. When you're shopping at the market or mall.
That's a great idea. Let's say we're shopping for clothes. Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a medium size?
Yes, we do. Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the changing room?
It's just over there, on the left side of the store.
Thank you. After trying. The shirt fits well. How much is it?
It's on sale today. It's 1,500 rupees.
That's a good price. I'll take it. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Now let's look at a simple conversation at a restaurant.
Sure. Let's say we're at a cafe for lunch. Hello. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water and a lemonade.
Great. And are you ready to order your food?
Yes. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich and French fries.
Would you like any sauce with that?
Yes, please. Some ketchup and mayonnaise.
All right. Your order will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Let's now practice a daily conversation at school between a teacher and a student.
Good morning, Miss Ikra. I wanted to ask about yesterday's homework.
Good morning, Altaf. Sure, what's your question?
I didn't understand question number 3. Can you explain it again?
Of course. That question was about finding the main idea of the paragraph. You just need to read carefully and choose the sentence that summarizes the paragraph best.
Ah, now I get it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do let me know if you need help with anything else.
Sure, I will.
Now let's move to a friendly conversation between two people who meet after a long time.
Wow, Ikra. It's been such a long time. How have you been?
Altaf. I can't believe it's you. I've been good, just busy with work and life. What about you?
Same here. I moved to another city last year for work, but I'm back now for a visit.
That's great. We should definitely catch up. Do you have time for coffee sometime this week?
Yes, I'd love that. Let's plan for Friday afternoon.
Perfect. I'll text you the details.
Now let's do a short phone conversation, something we all do every day.
Hello, Altaf. Can you talk right now?
Hi, Ikra. Yes, I'm free. What's up?
I just wanted to confirm our meeting time for tomorrow. Is 3 p.m. okay for you?
Yes, 3 p.m. works perfectly. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the library entrance.
All right, see you tomorrow at 3.
See you.
Before we end, let's quickly go over what we've learned today.
We started with a morning conversation at home, followed by an office dialogue. Then we practiced shopping, dining at a restaurant, talking in school, meeting an old friend, and even a phone conversation.
All of these examples are useful for real-life situations. They help you build confidence and improve your fluency in daily English conversations.
Remember to practice speaking every day, even if it's just a few lines. The more you speak, the better you'll get.
Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf for more helpful lessons.
Take care and keep practicing. See you in the next video.